Hey everybody, it's Brooke. I finally am able to get the Maine Wildflower quilting cotton into the Etsy shop. All 10 patterns of the fabric are available. If you were at my live sale on the 1st, you got to see this then, but I only had a little bit. More has come into the shop here in Farmington, and it is delicious. So all 10 patterns again are available, and I've got them listed all here. These are the sizes that are available and the prices. And magically right now, I'm going to go like this, and a link to the Etsy shop listing is going to appear. Maybe. If not, it'll be down below. Run right over and grab some now if you'd like, because I think this is the last printing of the fabric, and that will be that. But I did get a sneak peek of the next batch, which is the birds and berries of Maine. And yes, they are equally scrumptious. They won't be available for purchase until April 1st, though. All right, so that's it. I've been promising. Sorry for the delay. I will talk to you guys soon. Have a wonderful day. If you don't mind, throw me a thumbs up, like it, subscribe to my channel, and share with a friend. Awesome. See you soon. Bye.